Hello everyone. Welcome to TechMaster YouTube channel. I'm passionate about technology and I love sharing my knowledge with others. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and learn something new. So subscribe and join us on our journey into the world of tech. Now let's go to this video. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the upcoming flagship smartphone from Samsung. It is rumored to be released in December 2023 and will be the successor to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S25 Ultra is expected to have a number of improvements over its predecessor, including a new design, a more powerful processor, and a better camera system. Designed, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a similar design to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but with some minor changes. The phone is expected to have a metal frame and a glass back, and it is expected to be available in a variety of colors, including black, white, silver, and blue. Display: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The display is expected to be very bright and clear, and it is expected to offer excellent viewing angles. Processor: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Exynos 2200 processor. Both processors are expected to be very powerful, and they are expected to offer excellent performance for gaming, video editing, and other demanding tasks. RAM: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. This is a lot of RAM, and it is expected to ensure that the phone can handle multiple tasks at once without any slowdowns. Storage: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have 256 GB, 512 GB, or 1 TB of storage. This is a lot of storage, and it is expected to be enough for most users. Camera: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a quad camera system with a 200 megapixels main sensor, a 50 megapixels ultrawide sensor, a 12 megapixels telephoto sensor, and a 10 megapixels periscope telephoto sensor. This is a very impressive camera system, and it is expected to be one of the best on the market. Battery: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a 5000 mAh battery with support for 120W fast charging. This is a very large battery, and it is expected to offer excellent battery life. Software: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to run Android 15 with One UI 6. This is the latest version of Android, and it is expected to offer a number of new features and improvements. Price: the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be very expensive. It is rumored to start at $1,200, which is a lot of money for a smartphone. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a very promising smartphone. It has a lot to offer, and it is sure to be a popular choice for many users. However, it is also a very expensive phone, so it may not be the best choice for everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching.